invite you all to come over to my house for a tour. This is my toy booth, everyone. Take a look. This is my car. It's really beautiful, isn't it? And here is my car. It runs super fast. And here is my ambulance. It has saved many people, everyone. And here they are, everyone. Aren't these vehicles beautiful? Oh, that's right. I'm still missing a police car. Right, everyone? I brought money to buy this car. Everyone. I'm about to reach the store. Everyone. Let's go inside and check it out together. Where's my car? I've been searching everywhere, but haven't been able to find it. Here it is. Everyone, it's right here. Miss, please calculate my bill.
When the kitten bought the car I needed, on the way home, an old man followed the kitten all the way. Then, when the kitten was fast asleep, the old man suddenly appeared and sneaked into the house to steal the car that the kitten had just bought that afternoon.
I will transform this car into a giant monster.
He took it back to his laboratory and built the car. The small toy car suddenly transformed into a giant monster. The monster is destroying the city, and upon receiving the report, the police immediately rushed to the scene. The monster was defeated, and the people's lives returned to normal.